Back in action, we back in the action, boys. Thankfully, just gonna vlog style this for a second. Thankfully, we have a video in lineup today. We still got a fucked up nose. Nobody thinks it's real either. Y'all are just like, bro, this is fake, da 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 da, which is so funny. I thank you guys so much for having that much hope in my, I can't even think right now, I'm in so much pain. My skills of making fake blood, so appreciate you guys. We're still fucked up. I can't film today. I think I'm finally gonna have to go to the doctor, which pisses me off because I hate the doctor. I think that's stupid. But I had a video on backlog, which is hype. So we're gonna flip to that one. I just thought I'd update you guys about my whole injury going on right here. Oh god, fucking damn. This shit hurts like a bitch. I've been up like for, I think, an hour this morning just watching a blade. Anyway, enjoy the video today. Alright, I didn't want to fucking make this video, so if y'all are here for a happy fucking NameBran, that shit's not going down. Little backstory, something happened a couple weeks ago, and it's been going on, that I didn't want to talk about. Now I'm going to talk about it, because something else just fucking happened 2 days ago that I'm also fucking pissed about. Let's talk about scammers for a second, because this is what this fucking video is about. It's a dictionary definition of a scammer. Asshole, piece of shit, stand in between a gross vagina, a fat girl's. You don't get a hot girl if you're a fucking scammer. You're standing between a fat bitch and not a hot one. I hate scammers, man. I hate this shit. This fucking video is very real, by the way. I'm actually just really fucking pissed off. Once again, didn't want to bring this up to you guys. However, I have text message, Instagram message proof that this shit's going down, and I'm putting people on blast. Let's start with the first motherfucker. You know what? Let me pump you guys up a little bit because I'm fucking peeved. This is a NameBran fan. Now, this day goes down in history that not only we conquer these dudes, but we fucking destroy them. Of course, we're back in action, back in the action. NameBran fam's real strong, except for two of these motherfuckers I'm about to talk about real quick. And I'm gonna go off in this video because I'm really flipping peeved. Please give me a thumbs up down below and help me figure this out. Just my life, or just, I don't know, RIP NameBran down below. Let's get into this shit, because I'm really fucking mad. Alright, let's start off with this first one. This one's a real fucking banger, boys. Now, this one really pisses me off because this dude just went the extra length to just be the biggest asshole to me. I don't get mad at Instagram messages ever. I don't at all. We confront them sometimes on video, that's all fun, and confront them back, it's funny, it's dope. I love it. Instagram's right here, by the way. Go message me whenever. This motherfucker took it to the next level, and he put me in my place, but in not a truthful way. So I didn't deserve to be put in my place in this instance. Let me go a little backstory, alright? You guys might know a few videos ago, maybe a week ago, I'm not too sure. I brought up the case that we don't get fucking monetized on this channel. I make a lot of money from like sponsorships and shit like that, so I'm living well, but I don't make shit from YouTube. Like, we're talking like what doesn't matter. It's not as much as I should be making. So I set it up a Patreon. I was like, you guys, we're not getting monetized. May as well take the fucking ads off my videos if that's not happening. Let's do a Patreon. You guys can donate if you want to. If you guys don't know what Patreon is, by the way, people donate. For mine, you donate $1. I like your Instagram posts. You know, I creep it a little bit. I'll send you a message. We can talk back and forth. Then there's a $10 option, $50 option. I think there's 2 people that did $10 options. Appreciate you. And there's a bunch of people that did $1 options. Dope. So this motherfucker picks the $1 option. Really, really appreciate it. And one thing I want to say that I ignored from Patreon telling me this, because I thought I could trust some people, is Patreon says do not fulfill your promises to people, my promise being liking their Instagram posts, until the month is up. Now the thing with Patreon is if they donate $1, you don't get that $1 until the month is up. Anywhere in between there, they can take out their credit card and that's it. So they say, don't give out your reward before that month is up, before getting your money, because they might just take out their credit card and scam you. So, here's what happens. This dude, and I'm gonna bring it up on the screen, I'm gonna find it on my phone real quick, because messaged me. He donated $1. Now we're gonna have this motherfucker, we're gonna have this motherfucker's name right the motherfucker on the screen. And y'all need to destroy him if you wish, but hey, I won't blame you if you do. This dude's a motherfucking scammer and he deserves it. I took a screenshot right away from this punk ass, because I was mad about it. Let's get into this. Alright, so I got the message here. Now, let me just say, I wasn't gonna make a video about this. You know, like, I read it, I was like, wow, man, you're an asshole, whatever. Like, I wasn't gonna do anything about this until the other thing came up in my mind, which we're about to talk about after. The other thing I've been fucking scammed on lately. So I thought, you know what? Let's throw this both into a video, because this dude was an asshole and he deserves to get fucking destroyed. And then we'll talk about the other shit that's really fucking pissing me off. But this dude right here, just an asshole, once again, wasn't gonna give him a full video. May as well throw him in this shit and give him a little shitstorm of NameBran fam. So Sean Kunkel, gay name, you fucking asshole. Sorry. This is what happened. So he donated $1, and on my Patreon page he gave me his Instagram name for me to go like some stuff and comment to him. So this is what happened. Boom, put it up right here. Sean Kunkel, I guess this is on Tuesday. I say to him, thanks bro, can't like your shit though, you're private. So I said, thanks so much for the donation, but I can't like your stuff, you're private bro. He says, oh true, I just unprivated. So I'm like, dope. Right away, now we can look at this, I'll look at this right now. Yeah, this is within a minute I replied to him saying, gotcha dog, appreciate you. So I went and liked all his stuff, yada yada yada. I think I liked every single picture of his because he was like one of the first donators, which is one of the first viewers on the video, which means this motherfucker that we now know or we're gonna see as a fucking hater was one of the first to watch my videos and even go the extra mile to donate. So it's funny how that shit works. Anyway, so I liked his stuff. And then about 5 minutes later, I got this long, lengthy fucking message from him. Once again, I'm not super mad about this one. I'm not like, I'm not really butthurt about this. I just think this guy's an absolute asshole and you deserve to get fucking called out on YouTube. You're just an absolute cuck. Anyway, it sends me 2 paragraphs, the first one being this. Also, the card I used was canceled, so I didn't actually donate anything. I also just wanted you to message me so I could tell you, you have one of the most cancerous YouTube channels over 100K. Awesome, personal opinion. Appreciate you, bro. You lie consistently. I don't know what that means. We have a lot of persona and shtick on the channel, so I don't really know what you're talking about there. I really don't lie to you guys at all, but there's some shtick sometimes. When you're watching reality TV, not everything's fucking 100% with people's personalities. Shit goes down like that. Dumbass. You're so unfunny it hurts. That's cool, man. I appreciate you for watching my video. One of the first probably 50 viewers, dumb fucking idiot. You're so fucking immature and cringy, it makes me genuinely sad. Also, your entire fucking collection is fake. Everything is fake. Now, let me just say, I don't give a fuck what this dude is saying. You can say whatever you want. You can say your opinions. You took a lot of time to write this shit. Cool on you, bro. That's sick. The fact of the matter is, right here, is he just like, it was a douche move, man. I mean, like, he pretended to donate $1. The card was a canceled card, so it didn't even work. And then I like his shit, and then he comes back with this. This is like the bottom line for the shit of like, you're just an asshole. You just suck and load of cocks. Like, you're a literal douche. So whatever you're saying here just was like icing on the cake of like, wow, you actually are just a piece of shit human. But the real problem with me here is like, it's a douchey move, man. Just why? Why would you do it? And then he said, it goes on to say, the last 10 items you have bought have been fake. You have devolved into a channel of buying and reviewing fake shit and acting like you got scammed, which is really funny because it's a scam video. Let me just say, we also do a lot of fake stuff. A lot of fake stuff in videos, not promoting fakes. Because a lot of kids can't afford real shit. There's not a lot of channels that have you buying some shit. Like, yeah, I could buy a bunch of Yeezys and review them, real Yeezys if I wanted to, but a lot of you guys can't afford that shit. There's enough people flexing this expensive shit to fucking get your fix over it, you know what I mean? For me, I don't give a fuck about the expensive shit, whatever. This is me venting a little bit. Anyway, y'all gotta do what you want, man. This dude's literally a piece of shit where he's one of those fucking, no offense to Blazendary, but like, it's Blazendary or nothing. Either you're buying a bunch of this fucking hype shit, which is great for Blazendary, or you suck a load of balls. Not my shit, man. I don't really care about the fucking money stuff. No offense, let's just get into Blazendary, dude's killing it. Then he says, it's fucking brutal. I hope your channel dies and you have to go work at a gas station for the rest of your short life. Wow. Interesting. Before you die of alcohol poisoning because you drink way too much. Also, Adam's gay. Bye. That part was kind of funny. Also, Adam's gay. Bye. So if I got one of these messages, summing this up, from someone, it wouldn't piss me off at all. It's just the fact that he also attached the donating $1, which I don't give a fuck about the money. I don't give a fuck about the dollar. Just douche move. Principles, go suck a dick. You like a lot of cock. Unless you're gay, then I guess that's okay. But if you're not gay, then go suck a dick. Anyway, Sean Kunkel 7. You're an asshole, buddy. Appreciate you. Now, let's fucking vent about this next shit. Because I am down $2,000, I can't remember, $2,400 or $500. I don't know, and I'm pissed about this. This is some real shit that I'm actually fucking mad about. Fuck. Man, I'm sorry if you guys came for a happy video today. We'll have a happy one tomorrow. Today, I gotta let off some motherfucking steam. Next up, what did I have here? Yeah, $2,500 I spent. So, I followed this guy on Instagram, and he was selling a really dope pair of shoes. I'm not gonna let you guys know this pair of shoes, because maybe somehow it comes in the mail. It's not fucking going to, but it does, and then you guys aren't surprised. I keep my pickups a surprise. Anyway, they're a $2,500 pair of shoes. Really, really dope. I'd never seen them for that price. And he actually messaged me saying, hey, or no, did he message me? No, he commented on one of my pictures. I don't know. He said he's got these $2,500, yada, yada, yada. So we started texting. I gave him my number. I don't usually do that, but it seemed like pretty good. He's like a sneaker seller, whatever, whatever. He goes on to be like sending me pictures on fucking text messages, shit like that. I'm like, yo, this looks really good. We started talking a bunch. Now, something with me, I'm a little too fucking trustworthy sometimes, boys, I don't fucking know. I trust people. I got a feel for this dude. I'm like, yeah, you seem legit. You've got a pretty good sneaker selling page. And he's like, send me the money, I'll send him out tomorrow. So I sent him $2,500 for this pair of shoes. Once again, I'm not gonna name drop the shoes in case somehow they come in, but they're not fucking going to. And I waited a couple weeks. He said the day after that he'd ship them. So 2 weeks, I hit him up in text message saying, hey man, I haven't gotten the shoes yet. We talked a little bit. He's like, yeah, give it another week, give it another week. The whole fucking roundabout. If you guys have ever been scammed with fucking sneakers, that's how that shit goes down. Wait another week. I'll wait another week. Give benefit of the doubt. Week later, text him back, hey man, they're still not here. He's like, all right, let me find the tracking number, get back to me in another day. All right. Now this dude, I'm not gonna name drop, because somehow if this shit goes down and it's okay, I don't want to completely bash this dude, you know what I mean, in his business, if somehow they just got lost in the mail. But I'm going to discuss how I don't think that's happening because of this sketchy shit. So I tried texting him a day later. Oh, I fucking can't do it. His number's blocked. I don't know what the fuck happened. I just can't text the motherfucker. Or it's not going through or something. No reply. I don't know. So I hit him up on Instagram. I'm going to block his name, but this is what went down. So I say to him, still haven't gotten the shoes, man. You blocked my number or some shit because I can't text you now. What's up? That's all I said, you know? Haven't gotten the shoes, what's going on? It's definitely sketchy that you blocked my ass. He says, dude, I sent them a month ago. So at this point, it's like a month. Maybe my times are off or whatever. It's a month at that point. That's a month? Let me giving out $2,500. That's Canadian, by the way. So American, that's like, what, $3,000, maybe a little bit more? Then I said back to that, I was like, hey, how can we solve this? I'm out $2,500. It's a lot of money, boys. Like, it's like, you don't want to be out $2,500. I just don't like getting scammed, man. I just don't like that shit. It's not cool. And I said, either you pay my money back or you pay my money back. So maybe I was feeling kind of big at this point. I don't know if I was drunk or what. I'm reading this today. I screenshot it, I guess, after I said that. Either you pay my money back, bitch, or you pay my money back. I'm giving him no options. Alright, so, and then this is the part that pissed me off, man. Scene. He left me on scene. He read the bitch, and that's it. I haven't gotten blocked from her or anything yet, so that's why I'm like, maybe they're coming. Maybe he's just pissed off with me. It seems like I got scammed. You guys let me know down below. This is the shit that's really pissing me off, though. You fucking left the bitch on scene. I'm looking at this right now. I'm getting re-mad. So that's another fucking thing. Scammers suck a gigantic fucking cock. I hate scammers. I hope you guys never get scammed. I let myself get in these situations a lot because I'm very trusting and apparently an idiot. So we're not going to put this guy on blast yet. I'll let you guys know an update if he texts me back or whatever. Thought I'd let you guys know. NameBran fam deserves to know it's pissing me off, and I really fucking needed to vent to y'all. So I think I'm out $2,500 on sneakers now because he just left it on read. And also I'm dealing with this other asshole. Not really dealing with it, he's done with. I just thought I'd bring that up because he's just literally a piece of shit and you guys can go fucking spam his page. Or don't, I'm not telling you to, but I wouldn't blame you if you wanted to. Anyway, NameBran fam's real strong, we're marking the game the greatest of all time. Thank you for letting me fucking vent on this bitch. And I'll see you tomorrow with a happier video. Or maybe I'll rant again. I don't fucking know. Peace.